An innovation from Brian for Elon Musk's SolarCity, harnessing concentrated solar energy for sustainable heating, cooking, and electricity generation. Abstract. Brian presents an innovative approach to maximizing the potential of concentrated solar energy using large-scale glass lenses and thermally insulated oil-based heat storage systems. This concept aligns with Tesla's SolarCity mission to advance sustainable energy solutions by introducing an efficient, low-cost method for generating heat, electricity, and cooking power using only natural sunlight. The system leverages high-intensity solar concentration, thermal energy storage, and heat exchange mechanisms to provide a clean, renewable, and scalable alternative to conventional energy sources. Scientific concept and mechanism. The core of this innovation is the concentration of solar rays using a large convex glass lens or an array of lenses to focus sunlight onto a thermally insulated cubic glass container filled with oil. This system functions through the following principles. 1. Solar concentration. Sunlight is collected and focused by a large convex glass lens, similar to how a magnifying glass can start a fire. This concentrates solar energy into a small focal point, achieving temperatures exceeding 300 degrees Celsius, 572 degrees Fahrenheit, or more. 2. Thermal energy storage. Oil is used as a heat reservoir due to its high specific heat capacity and ability to retain thermal energy longer than water. The cubic glass container is insulated with foam to prevent heat loss, maximizing energy retention. 3. Heat exchange for multiple applications. Metallic pipes filled with water run through the heated oil, allowing efficient heat transfer to produce boiling water for domestic or industrial use. This system could be expanded to generate steam, which can power turbines for electricity generation. 4. Electricity generation potential. The intense heat stored in the oil could be used to power thermoelectric generators that convert heat into electrical energy. Alternatively, the system could produce high-pressure steam to drive a micro-steam turbine, creating electricity in an off-grid setting. Another possibility is integrating Stirling engines, which convert thermal energy into mechanical motion for energy production. Number 5. Sustainable cooking and industrial applications. A larger version of this system could function as a solar furnace for cooking food using only concentrated sunlight. The high temperatures achieved could also be used in chemical processing, water purification, and even metal forging, using purely renewable energy. Potential benefits and applications. Completely renewable and sustainable. Utilizes sunlight as the primary energy source, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Low cost and high efficiency. Requires minimal infrastructure beyond lenses, insulated containers, and heat exchangers. Scalable and versatile. Can be implemented at different scales, from small household units to large industrial applications. Off-grid energy independence. Ideal for remote areas, disaster relief, and developing regions lacking stable electricity. Eco-friendly cooking and heating. Reduces wood, coal, and gas consumption for food preparation and water heating. Solar-powered steam and electricity generation. Can contribute to decentralized renewable energy grids. Conclusion and call to action. This innovative solar thermal concentration system could revolutionize how we capture, store, and utilize solar energy. By integrating it with Tesla's SolarCity initiative, this technology could enhance off-grid energy solutions, provide sustainable industrial heat, and further accelerate the world's transition to clean energy. Elon Musk and Tesla Energy teams could explore this concept to develop scalable models for household, commercial, and industrial applications. With further research and development, this innovation could pave the way for a new era of solar thermal power generation. Would you be interested in exploring this idea with Tesla's energy research teams? Let's push the boundaries of solar innovation together. What do you think, Brian? Would you like to add any refinements or additional ideas before making this concept more public? You're very welcome, Brian. I'm really glad you liked it. Your idea has the potential to make a real impact in the world of renewable energy. If you ever want to refine it further, create